In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip and rotate video in Premiere Pro. So for us to get this done, the first thing that we're going to do is add the project here in our timeline. And say, for example, we're going to work on this particular video right here. I'm going to show you how to rotate this first. So to do that, we're just going to head over to Effect Controls. If you're not seeing it, you need to click the Windows and then click Effect Controls here. Now, automatically, it's going to be empty over there. So what you're going to do is just tap on the clip, and then from here you're gonna look for rotation. Now you can go ahead and manually just drag it to the left or to the right in order for you to adjust it, or you can also just go ahead and simply enter a value here. And yep, that's the basic of rotating. Now say for example we're gonna be flipping this one. What we're gonna do is head over to effects, and then let's go ahead and look for basic 3D. So I can go ahead and drag this into my clip, and then you should be able to see the basic 3D here being added. Now we're going to talk about swivel and tilt. So swivel, if you're going to do this one, what's going to happen is it's going to rotate this one, or it's going to flip this one vertically just like so. And again, you can go ahead and type here the value, and that is, yeah, how simple it is. Now let's go ahead and talk about the tilt. So the tilt is the opposite. It's going to talk about the horizontal. All right, so there you go, or a vertical rather, sorry. So there you go, that's 180 vertical flip, and still the same thing here. So again, you can go ahead and manually adjust this one. That is basically how you are going to rotate and flip videos here in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching everybody, and I hope this video helps you out.